Hey, this is Luke Graham at JTech, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of MIG welding using this Lincoln Electric MIG welder machine. And first, I'm going to come over here. Check out, this is what controls your wire speed, and this is your voltage, which makes it hotter or less hot depending on how thick your metal is that you're welding. So you can go ahead and turn the gas on. Step away from the gauges. And it's about like 17 psi right there, which is good. You want it between 5 and 20. And you want to make sure you have gloves on. You could have like long sleeves on too to help protect your arms and stuff. Also, you want safety glasses underneath your welding mask, your hood. So I'm just gonna lay a little bead right on top of here, and you want to make sure you clean any paint or rust off the surface, because that'll mess with your weld. So, all right, got my gas on. And this is your ground connection right here. You always want to have your ground connected to where you're welding or on the table. Have it as close as possible to it. You want to make sure your wire is nice and straight so it doesn't get all kinked up on the inside. Turn it on. Alright, when you're done, make sure you turn it off before you do anything. And if you're going to be done using your machine, you go ahead and turn the gas off. Alright, and here we go. Inspecting it, using the glove still. And that's the one I just did right there, right here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Luke Graham.